Good morning, all students and engineering delegates, as well faculty members from all institutes, and whoever is listening and viewing this video. Today we are with Mr. Pratik Panchal. He is working as Manager Marketing and Business Development and at industry, and he have been serving in fields, mechanical engineering field from last 10 years, and have got various experiences in his this duration of serving mechanical engineering field. I welcome Mr. Pratik Panchal, and I would request him to brief himself to all the viewers.
Thank you. I think you have given the short brief about me. Let me just elaborate that since 2009, the global meltdown was the starting point of our career. You are also with me. You chosen the academic field, and I have chosen to work in the industries. So initial days, the environment is not good for a new entrant because global recession, everything is there. So people used to take advantage. I remember those days around two months struggling to get a job to just start with. So sometimes I remember some words from our professors that whatever you do, whatever you get money, don't look towards the pay, just start working, because once you start, then the wheels are rolling. It is just a fact of the momentum. So that's how we started very less. I started with production engineering, and that is about 40-45 kilometers far from my home, so almost 12 hours of journey for work, and with very minimal amount. Let's not disclose it, otherwise people will get discouraged, but it was a start, and we started into the career. So that time there is nothing in the mind. We just wanted to start. We just want to we need to get exposure of the outer world, how the industries are working, what is to be experienced. So that was the first thing, to gain the experience, so that we, after 6 months or 1 year, we can go and say, hey, we have some experience in working in the industries. So yeah, I was a bit on and off few times because I have chosen various different fields in few initial years of my career. Started with production engineer, then I shifted to project engineer, then again I shifted to some site engineer, then again I selected with some production by my own. I have also tried to become an entrepreneur. So then after I realized that I am not the person who is doing such job, so I have opted for the sales. So because I have a bit inside me about the sales feeling, so within my mechanical background, I have selected to go for the sales field. So then I have started around 3 or 4 months struggling into the initial career. I have shifted to sales, and past almost 6-7 years I am into sales, and then I have made a right choice to go further in the sales. So now after opting the sales field, I have been go for the further studies of MBA into marketing, and enhancing my knowledge ahead of the mechanical engineering into the field of management, so that I can grow my career in the same field. So struggle was there, but it is parts and parcel of the life. You have to learn things that you don't know, but once you learn this, nobody can get it from you. It's completely yours. You can move ahead. It is like when we go to school in the junior KG, we need to learn one. We need to do multiple times, right? So simple drawing a one is typically a big task for a kid. So it is the same thing when you go in the field. You have to learn to know the process and everything. But it seems very good, and I got exposure because I have inside enthusiasm for my career into mechanical engineering. So, and I'm very helpful, very fortunate that I have been in an institute where teachers are very good, and they have given us the clarity about the basic concept that helped me a lot, whether I work in the production engineering or project engineering or in the sales also, because my sales is not only a sales, it is a technical sales. So you need to understand complete machinery and everything, and then you have to work your product. So that helps me a lot. And with this, I got an opportunity to travel around the world. So I have been to Japan in 2018, and hopefully I will next year probably I will go to Germany. We have a R&D center over there. So whatever the looking back after before 10 years, there is nowhere in the plan that I will go like this. But I have keep moving, and the things will be getting sorted, and then you go whatever the effort you put in, that will have the output. So it is the same.
I can say that you have gone through multiple aspects of mechanical engineering field, and you have touched multiple.
Initially, the material is stressed a lot.
Initially, that will be there, but whenever you pass through that phase, it makes you strong to survive in life as well. It gives you skills to do more and to practice more things. So I can say we are appreciating you for attempting this kind of stuff, and visiting MNCs at Japan and Germany. Okay. So I would ask you that what is your thought that why a student should take admission in mechanical engineering? We have touched one perspective that you can explore more in this field. So what other perspective you can suggest?
See, while choosing, just you passed your high school and making a selection for your career. So I think nowadays students are more clear what they want to do. If we talk about ourselves, we don't have such kind of clarity. We just look where we can secure our seat with our percentage and merit. But now people are
even less at that time, and media was not
less exposure to us. Yes. And now the thing is, students are more sharp. I remember I have used internet for the first time after joining the engineering.
Right.
And now all students are having the internet facility. They can see what is going on around the world, and what are the opportunities, what are the careers, how in which career what person can do. Like we have platforms like LinkedIn. I have seen many students are on LinkedIn profile, and they follow industries and companies and their idols in the industries. So that will give the exposure, correct exposure, that they have the interest in towards such industry. So they look for their interest. So I think mechanical engineering is first, it is a basic engineering, core of the engineering, where all the mechanism, links, everything we need to understand. The basic concepts of engineering is in the mechanical. So one with the interest in technicality can opt for the mechanical engineering. And now the thing is, we have a specialized courses after the engineering. If you have an interest into automotive, or if you have an interest in the control systems, if you have interest in the power plants, so whatever the interest you have, you can opt for the further knowledge. But the basic concept of engineering is more clear in the mechanical field, what I assume, because I in past 10 to 11 years I have been working with different engineers. So but what I find is whoever the guy is from mechanical background have more clarity about the fundas.
Yes, right.
Compared to, yeah, it is not because of the college or not because of the person, but it is you learn the basic things in more depth. And it is mechanical is the advance of physics, so that will help you a lot in any real time life experiences, and even in your personal life also, because you see you move one gear, then the several other gears are connected, and every gears is moving, so you know in which direction it is going to move, because you know that.
It also, improves the attitude of exploring more stuff rather than other departments.
Yes.
I think.
Yeah. Mechanical is a whole lot of width and depth. So I remember the words from our principal said that if you want to learn mechanical thing, you have to look, you have to bend down and see.
Right.
I hope you also remember.
Right.
And and it is the same thing. You have to dig out what is going on, and it is not also very hard. You if you have a eyesight to observe and see that, you can get the points, and you will be through. And the thing is, there is a lot of inventions from past few hundred years or few centuries, we can say. And then further innovations are adding into the industry. So maybe mega structures are there, maybe shipbuilding is there, and for a country like India, we are going to be a manufacturing hub after China. So we require a lot of potential engineers who can make India more and more successful and more productive. So I think this is an opportunity, and if anyone has an interest in technicality, can go with the mechanical field.
I would ask you more regarding your personal experiences as mechanical engineer in companies. What you have served till now. So
I have been around 6 companies, and as I told you, I have started as production engineering, and then I shifted to project engineering, and then site engineering, and then tried something on my own as an entrepreneur. So that also include a lot of struggle, a lot of effort here and there, moving around for information, searching around the things which is going on. And typically, see, mechanical guys who are into a production line, basically their surrounding is with all, they have to work with the labor force, and this labor force is not that educated as an engineer. That is why they are labor. They're doing the labor job. So that time the feeling is that am I on a right track? I'm interacting with this uneducated, or sometimes they don't even know how to write.
right.
They don't know how to read the drawings, right? So, and then also they wanted us to understand that you are just a theoretical engineer, you are not a practical engineer. So that question is always there, but that is okay. At that time it was a different story, but now I know that they have a very small knowledge, so they will think like that. We have a big amount of knowledge, so we should not look into that, and we should not get in conflict with them. So it is there, but now See, initial things are getting the shape. You are also searching yourself that what things are you are comfortable at. So initial time we have to spend, and it is also very good if you are struggling initially, because that will give you a right path. If you don't struggle initially, if you are into a comfort zone, I have also seen few of our friends are struggling now because they have given a very comfortable environment at the start.
Right.
So after a few years, they are realizing that now I am here, but am I supposed to be this only, or I have to go for it? So initial, you must try on. You must try on different things.
You can attempt various things, and
Yeah.
those attempts will
Yeah.
make make
Yeah.
make
And one,
you will be at right place at right time.
yeah, yeah. And one more thing I would like to add here, that
Yes.
what I have observed, that in our state, or maybe it is fact for whole India, industry and education is not connected. That is not in a synchronization. So there is a big gap. The person who is learning things about 4 years doesn't know anything about the industry. And industry who consume these engineers, they don't know what they are learning and what is the culture of their education. So that is the main conflict to matching up. So some of the time it happens that few cannot adjust, they cannot fit into it, so they will go away, or they might change the field. But I will advise all the students who are taking in the engineering admissions, they should know, and they should also start looking for their interest from the day when they enroll into the engineering. It is not this 4 years given to you for only theoretical education. You also need to have a exposure to the industry, and to know about what is going on around you, because that will help you after that 4 years. If you don't do your this exercise in between, then after you are struggling, what you have to go, and where you have to find your place. So whatever you do, whether you go for mechanical engineering and then production engineering, and whatever you go, but you must look at different alternatives during your 4 years of course.
Means you need to explore during this graduation period that what I want exactly from the field, and what I exactly want to do after 4 years with my life.
Yes, it is not looking around, it is looking inside. You look the options, but you always get the answer that what is your interest. So if you are interested in design, or if you are interested in R&D, or if you are not at all interested, that is also you came to know in this exercise.
You must know what you want and what you do not want from this exercise. So I have to ask one more question: that what future do you expect as an engineer after 4 years? And if any student is taking admission right now, so what future is expected for that particular student in this mechanical engineering field?
Mechanical field is, as said by a biggest scientist and many more, and I also heard the same, that mechanical is the evergreen line. So there is no doubt about it. Mechanical is not an easy line. I will add into this. It is a bit tough while surviving in the industry, but everything is difficult until you try. So you have to try for it. And see, now India is having a good government, and taking the initiative of the infrastructure development, industrial development, and we have our Prime Minister Mr. Modi has lined up this 10-year for development of the country, and he has initiated a Make in India project. So many companies are coming to India because India is having a big market. So many manufacturing companies are coming to India. Many opportunities are there. Many construction is going on to develop our infrastructure. So there is a lot of potential as a mechanical engineer, whether you go for structural engineering or you go for a shipping, because all these things are now moving. So there is a lot of scope. And now the thing is, again, we are in transit time, that the car we are driving is now completely gone to electric. So there is no internal combustion engine. What we have learned so far,
Right.
that if you want to drive a four-wheel car or anything, you need to have a combustion engine, right? But that is now nowhere into the car. It is only just a battery. So whole thing is going to change. So older generation, even us from the automobile, we have to change for the newer technology. So now if anybody is taking into the engineering, they have to cope up with the current technology and the current market where industries are growing. So there is a lot of scope, because India is, I think, for say now after 50 years, there is always we are going to a growing economy. We are not going to downgrade our economy, because everything is moving into improvement stage. And this 10 years, Modi government is giving a good platform, making a good platform for future 50 years. So there is a good potential. I will also request engineers with a good quality and talent should not leave the country, should serve the country by staying here, or by any means you are contributing to India GDP, not to US or Canada or Australia, right?
That was great message for all engineers who are, right now going to complete their graduation as well. In future, who are going to complete it, they must serve their nation first.
This country has given you a platform to make yourself as an engineer, and if you are opting to go outside and washing the dishes and serving in the restaurants, that is not going to help you, right? So be ready for struggle a bit for few years, but stay in India. India will make you grow.
Right. So I'd like to thank you, Mr. Pratik Panchal, for giving your precious time and thoughts as a mechanical engineer. And I hope students will learn a lot from you, that why they should select mechanical engineering field and how they can work in this field after completion of graduation, or how they can explore in this field. So any specific remark if you want to give, then I would appreciate that remark also.
See, remark is nothing but be cautious about your education. I have also seen few students who are taking admission in engineering. Engineering is a precious line, I must tell you. You should not waste your time. This 4 years is going to decide your complete life. So better you realize that and you focus on your studies. That is all the thing. Because if you know things in right direction, you will be having a less trouble.
For that, they should explore more during 4 years.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Pratik Panchal, again.
Thank you.